it's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, reconnect.
Hello. Hi guys, can you do me a massive favor? Can you do me a big favor? Can you follow me on Instagram, Jamaica_worst_gamer? We're trying to grow the Instagram also, so please give me a follow on Instagram. Link will be in the description also. Run the intro. Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's giving you another reaction. Woo! Today we are with Squash. Yes, Harry Shot. Squash, Harry Shot. Jump in the one and here with the GS set man. Let's go. Let's get it.
Yo, YG.
No boy.
Bobby six up on them little pussy a dog. Yo, YG. Bobby six up on them little pussy a Yo, YG. Bobby six up on them little pussy a dog. If you told love it chattings, you know, hombre. Me I tell you, no dog. I don't know my thing different already, you know.
No boy.
No boy can't shut off for me and me no kill that. Cut off your head, drink rum for your skull cap. Puff fast. Scam bill, horse bite, gun and enough shot. Pussy wall that. Fan a boy if he dead, we start carrying and turn back. Cosmo, Glen Levan. I saw spring man, grow man, wicked and bad. Shot boy, Brad, dear, kill him and brag. 9x19, swing him like flag. Laugh, me no laugh it, boy. Hanging and chopping needle. Left your tongue in a gun, so the that are evil. Can't catch Harry, catch his shot, killer people. Come on now, really? Shut off a whoop pussy, and you don't get a head tap up, no. Why? Shot fly through, but we shot. Yo! Pull up! Pull up! Yo!
Make her go again. Squash no miss in the dog. Squash no miss, bro. No boy can't shut off for me and me no kill that. None.
Bobby six up on them little pussy a dog.
Harry Shot.
If you told love it chattings,
Can't catch Quack, you catch Harry Shot. Move your blood clot, Harry. Hold them here. Ready?
No boy can't shut off for me and me no kill that.
No boy.
Cut off your head, drink rum for your skull cap.
No boy can't shut off for me and me not kill that. Cut off your head, drink rum out of your skull cap.
Cut off your head, drink rum for your skull cap. Puff fast. Scam bill, horse bite, gun and enough shot. Pussy wall that.
Scam. Buy house, big house too, not small house. Enough shot. With enough guns.
Scam bill, horse bite, gun and enough shot. Pussy wall that. Fan a boy if he dead, we start carrying and turn back. Cosmo, Glen Levan. I saw spring man, grow man, wicked and bad. Shot boy, Brad, dear, kill him and brag. 9x19, swing him like flag.
9x19, swing him like frog, brother. Swing him like frog. Ribbit. No pussy.
Yo, YG. Bobby six up on them little pussy a dog.
No boy can't shut off for me and me no.
If you told love it chattings, you know, hombre. Me I tell you, no dog.
No boy.
I don't know my thing different already, you know.
None. Yeah.
No boy can't shut off for me and me no kill that. Cut off your head, drink rum for your skull cap. Puff fast. Scam bill, horse bite, gun and enough shot. Pussy wall that. Fan a boy if he dead, we start carrying and turn back. Cosmo.
Nah, turn back.
I saw spring man, grow man, wicked and bad. Shot boy, Brad, dear, kill him and brag. 9x19, swing him like flag. Laugh, me no laugh it, boy. Hanging and chopping needle. Left your tongue in a gun, so the that are evil. Can't catch Harry, get his shot, kill people.
Can't catch Harry, catch his shot. Kill your people. You know, the long time saying, say, if you can't catch Guaco, you catch him shot. That the G talk about. If you can't catch Harry, you catch him shot. Fuck Guaco, I know who named Guaco, but I know who named Blood Clot Harry though. Kill your people, them.
If you don't need a gun, so that are evil. Can't catch Harry, catch his shot, kill your people. Come on now, really? Shut off a whoop, shot.
The laugh when give a while ago is a very sinister laugh. It's a very evil laugh. Listen to it again.
Kill people. Come on now, really? Shut off a whoop, pussy, you don't get a head tap popping up. Wide. Shot fly through, button shot. Hell gates make boy face putty up. This can't be. Rain till you push me a back, jelly. See the Porsche blast off, carpet, weight speed. YG full of cash, so the dog feisty. Very feisty. Coulda never lamb. I'm a gun in my clothes, I'm a very famous. Loose gal, panny black bread, I'm in a place, so. Who no check your ratio?
The man said, loose girl pan the black bread and me no play so. Check your ratio. Loose girl, no girl can drop him location. No girl can sell him out. No girl can give him away. Like with them do Julio, Fulio. That's the boss I talk about.
Famous, loose girl pan the black bread, I'm in a place, so. Who no check your ratio? No boy can't shut off for me, I me no kill that, no. Cut off your head, drink rum for your skull cap. Puff frost, yeah. Scam bill, horse bite, gun and enough shot. Pussy all that. Fan a boy if it dead, we start yarn and turn back. 641 Glen Devon 51. I saw spring man, grow man, wicked and bad. Shot boy, broad day, kill him and brag. 9x19, swing him like flag. God, me no laugh it, boy. Hanging and chopping me up, but me no in a gun, so that I evil. Can't catch Harry, catch his shot, kill people. Come on now, shut off a whoop, pussy, you don't get a head tap popping up. Shot fly through, button shot. Hell gates make boy face something up. This can't be. Rain till you push me a back, jelly. See the Porsche blast off, carpet, weight speed. YG full of cash, so the dog feisty. Very feisty. Coulda never lamb up. I'm a gun in my clothes, I'm a very famous.
Hold on. Let me touch on something quick before me talk about. You see all the people in Jamaica were frightened for foreign. You see a foreign look? Where you the G post some picture and in the seriously at Jamaica the G there. No, foreign man there. A Florida the man there. Look on the place. Look on the place. Zinc fence and boardhouse. You not see boardhouse at the start of the video. You not see the zinc fence at the end of the video. Eh? Look here. Look here to blood clot. Look here. Zinc fence. Hold on. You can't see. Hold on. Zinc fence. You want to see boardhouse now? Let me show you boardhouse. Wait there. Boardhouse. Boardhouse and zinc fence. They are foreign too. What the fuck do the dog? That's why people think say he was in Jamaica, but he's not. Anyway, back to the track. Bad. No boy can shut off for me and me not kill that. That's what the GS say. If you agree me. Harry, we know your blood clot people, them. We know you too. We don't know Quaco. We don't want to catch film shot. Harry shot to want catch. Harry, all your socks them want catch for bunny up. Yeah. So, the boss will tell us, no boy can violate him and him not defend himself. He have to defend it. You see me? Yeah. So, once I try to take my life, just know, say, I'm going to take your own before you take my own. That's how the G say right there. So, I'm protecting 3 points. I'm well paranoid in the streets. Is it? Yeah, no loose girl can there on the G night and G location can't drop. Yeah, nah drop. Big up yourself, Squash. Big up on yourself. Yes. Let me know what you guys think about this one though. I like it. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Yo, YG.
Big up on yourself, my God.
Young King attack again in a J Prince. I'm represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.